everyone! Welcome back to your Math Tutor. My name is Renzi Rentoria, and today we're going to be talking about two super handy tools in geometry: distance and midpoint. Don't worry, these terms might seem hard, but in reality, when we break it down, it's actually really simple. First, let's hop into a coordinate plane. Whoa guys, look! It's a Cartesian coordinate plane! This grid right here has a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. Every point here in this Cartesian coordinate plane has an address, which we call coordinates. For example, if your house was placed right there, then your address would be -2 and -4, since this side is both negative. Now, what if we had two coordinates, like 1 and 1 and 5 and 4, and we want to find the distance between these two? That's simple. Just use the distance formula right here. This formula right here explains that distance equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. In our case, our x sub 2 equals 5, our x sub 1 equals 1, our y sub 2 equals 4, and our y sub 1 equals 1. Now, when we add these all together, this is what our formula looks like. First, we subtract, and then we square, and then we add. This gives a total of the square root of 25, which is 5. So our distance would be 5. But what if you wanted to find the midpoint, or the exact halfway point between two coordinates? Well, then we'll use the midpoint formula right here. This formula explains that midpoint equals x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. Let's say we have two coordinates of 2 and 2 and 6 and 2. This is what our plane would look like. Now we add the coordinates to the formula, which would be m equals 2 plus 6 over 2 and 2 plus 2 over 2. Now we add and then we divide, which equals to m equals 4 and 2. Which means 4 and 2 is our midpoint for these two coordinates. So remember, distance is how far away these coordinates are, while on the other hand, midpoint is what we use to find the point between these two coordinates. And that's it! Now you'll be solving distance and midpoint like a pro. That's it for this video. Bye-bye!